So assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to our new video. So in today's video we are going to cover the topic of the flu vaccine. So make sure कि आपने हमारी recently uploaded videos को भी देख लिया हो ताकि आपको आने वाली videos की समझ हो. एंड आल्सो मेक श्योर कि आपने हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लिया हो और बेल आइकन को भी दबा दिया हो ताकि जब भी हम अपनी न्यू वीडियो चैनल पर अपलोड करें तो आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन रिसीव हो जाए. तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं जी आज का हमारा टॉपिक. इवन इफ़ यू डोंट गेट द फ्लू शॉट बाय October 31, it's not too late. Even if it's well into flu season, it's always helpful to get the flu shot. It takes about 2 weeks for antibodies to develop against the flu after vaccination. The Centers of Disease Control and Prevention CDC believes that both flu and the new coronavirus COVID-19 will be spreading this year. Because of this the vaccine will be more important than ever. Side effects of the flu shots. Many people report avoiding the flu vaccine each year for fear that it will make them sick. It's important to understand that the flu vaccine can't buy you to develop the flu. Many people report avoiding the flu vaccine each year for fear that it will make them sick. It's important to understand that the flu vaccine can't cause you to develop the flu. You are not able going to become sick because you received the vaccine. Flu vaccines contain dead flu virus. These strains are not strong enough to cause an illness. Like other shots, you may experience some side effects from the flu shots. These side effects are often mild and only last a short period of time. The side effects of the shot outweigh the possible symptoms of developing the flu later. The most common side effects of the flu shot include soreness around the injection site, low-grade fever in the days immediately following the injection, mild itches and stiffness. Any side effect that do occur often last only a day or two. Many people won't experience any side effects at all. On rare occasions, some people may have a serious allergic reaction to the vaccination. If you had an allergic reaction to any vaccine or medications before, talk with your doctor. सो इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम कवर करेंगे हाउ लॉन्ग डज द फ्लू लास्ट. सो उससे पहले आपने हमारी जो रिसेंटली अपलोडेड वीडियोज़ हैं उनको देख लेना है और हमारा जो चैनल है उसको भी आप सब्सक्राइब कर लेना और बेल आइकन को भी लाजमी दबा देना है ताकि जब भी हम अपनी न्यू वीडियो अपलोड करें तो आपको उसका नोटिफिकेशन रिसीव हो जाए. मिलते हैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।